So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Adobe. Now you want to expand Photoshop. You want to find your Photoshop version. Now once you find that, you want to click on it. You should now be in your Photoshop version folder. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on dword 32-bit value. You want to call this override physical memory MB. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did and then click on enter. And now once you have this, you want to double click on it. Now in this box right here, you want to type in 16,000. So under value data in this box, you want to type in 16,000 and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And this should now fix your problem.